Welcome back to Woven Deal, where we break down real ways to build sustainable income streams on your own schedule. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the most reliable side hustle business models that you can launch right now. Whether you want to monetize your technical skills, start a local service business, or complete flexible remote tasks, this guide covers every step. Building a successful side venture requires clear planning, market research, and consistent effort over a long period. We will explore how to select the right path for your lifestyle while keeping your startup costs low. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a clear blueprint to turn your spare hours into meaningful financial growth. Before launching any side venture, you must evaluate your current skills and available time to choose a model that actually fits. Many people fail because they try to force themselves into a business model that requires 40 hours a week when they only have 5. Take a serious look at your professional background, technical abilities, and natural strengths to pinpoint where your highest value lies. You also need to calculate your baseline hourly rate so you never take on work that yields less than your time is worth. Setting up realistic expectations from the start protects you from burnout and helps you stay consistent. Real success comes from picking one clear path and executing it with absolute discipline. Freelancing allows you to package your existing professional capabilities into high-ticket services for business clients. Companies across the world constantly outsource specialized tasks like content writing, visual design, and software development. To stand out in a competitive marketplace, you must position yourself as a specialist rather than a generalist. Instead of general graphic design, you can specialize strictly in creating high-converting sales assets for online stores. Specialization allows you to charge premium rates because clients view you as an expert who solves a very specific problem. Once you define your niche, building a targeted portfolio becomes much easier and more compelling. Creating a portfolio that wins clients does not require years of past freelance experience or a massive list of corporate partners. You can easily build mock projects, solve problems for local nonprofits, or redesign existing products to showcase your skills. Your portfolio must highlight the clear results and business outcomes you generated rather than just showing pretty visuals. Potential clients want to know how your work will save them time, increase their revenue, or simplify their operations. Structure every portfolio item as a concise case study detailing the problem, your process, and the final measurable outcome. Highlighting real impact builds instant trust and makes potential clients feel confident hiring you. Pricing your freelance services correctly is the difference between building a lucrative business and working long hours for minimum wage. Project-based pricing is generally far superior to hourly billing because it rewards your efficiency and experience over time. When you charge per project, clients focus entirely on the value of the finished deliverable rather than counting every single minute you work. To calculate a fair project price, estimate the total hours required, multiply that by your target hourly rate, and add a safety margin. Always require an upfront deposit of 25 to 50% before starting any work to protect your cash flow. Clear pricing structures and payment terms set professional boundaries right from your very first conversation. Finding high-paying clients requires a proactive outreach strategy rather than passively waiting for people to discover your profile on marketplaces. You can use professional networking platforms to identify business owners, managers, and decision-makers who actively need your specific expertise. Send customized, concise pitch messages that demonstrate you have researched their company and identified a gap you can help fix. Focus entirely on how your service benefits their business goals rather than leading with a long list of your own qualifications. Consistent daily outreach to 5 or 10 qualified leads will build a reliable pipeline of client conversations within a few weeks. Relationship building remains the single most effective way to secure recurring retainers. Delivering an outstanding client experience ensures that your clients return for future projects and refer you to other business owners. Communication is the core foundation of great service, so establish clear update schedules and set boundaries around your working hours. Always meet your agreed deadlines, and if an unexpected delay happens, notify your client far in advance with a clear solution. Exceeding expectations on minor details, such as providing organized project files or clear video tutorials, makes you unforgettable. Satisfied clients are always happy to write glowing testimonials that you can display on your website and social platforms. Over time, word-of-mouth referrals will replace cold outreach as your primary source of new business. Service-based side ventures focus on solving immediate, hands-on problems for residential clients or small local businesses. These ventures range from home organization and residential cleaning to mobile car detailing, pet care, and event support. Local service businesses are fantastic because they require very little technical equipment to launch and generate immediate cash flow. You can easily validate your idea by talking directly to neighbors, posting in community forums, or offering trial services. Because these services rely on local demand, competing against national corporate brands is much easier when you offer personalized care. Trust, reliability, and punctuality are the primary factors that win local market share. Setting up the operational legal foundations for a local service venture protects your personal assets and builds instant credibility with clients. You should register your business structure according to your local regulations and secure any required operating permits or business licenses. Obtaining basic commercial liability insurance is a non-negotiable step that protects you if property damage or accidental injury occurs during a job. Open a dedicated business bank account to keep all business revenues and expenses completely separate from your personal finances. Setting up digital payment systems allows clients to pay instantly using credit cards or bank transfers, improving your overall cash flow. Organizing your legal and financial structure early prevents major complications as your business scales up. Equipping your local service venture does not require spending thousands of dollars on industrial machinery right at the beginning. Start by purchasing only the essential high-quality tools and commercial supplies necessary to complete your core service efficiently. Renting specialized equipment for unique jobs is much smarter than buying expensive machinery before you have guaranteed recurring revenue. Maintain a strict inventory log of your supplies so you never run out of materials in the middle of a client project. Keeping your physical equipment clean, organized, and professionally stored projects a powerful image of reliability to your customers. Low startup costs allow you to reach profitability and recoup your initial investment within your first few paid jobs. Marketing a local service business effectively relies on dominating your immediate geographical area through digital mapping platforms and community networking. Create a detailed business profile on local search engine maps, complete with your operating hours, contact details, and professional photos. Encourage every satisfied client to leave an honest review on your profile, as positive reviews directly drive high search visibility. Distributing professional flyers in target neighborhoods or partnering with complementary local businesses can also generate immediate client inquiries. Offering seasonal promotions or introductory packages helps break the ice with first-time customers or testing out your service. Consistent local visibility ensures your business is the first choice when someone needs help. Managing client bookings and daily logistics efficiently prevents scheduling conflicts and guarantees that you arrive at every job site on time. Utilize free or low-cost digital calendar tools that allow clients to view your real-time availability and book appointments online. Map out your travel routes logically each morning to minimize driving time and conserve fuel between different customer locations. Send automated text or email reminders to clients 24 hours before scheduled appointments to prevent missed meetings or delayed entries. Clear scheduling operations allow you to handle more clients each day without feeling overwhelmed by chaotic logistics. Streamlined organization keeps your daily work stress-free and highly productive. Establishing long-term service contracts converts one-time buyers into predictable monthly revenue that stabilizes your side hustle income. Offer clients a small discount if they sign up for bi-weekly or monthly recurring service agreements rather than booking single visits. Recurring contracts allow you to plan your work schedule weeks in advance and accurately forecast your incoming monthly earnings. Deliver consistent quality during every visit so clients consider your service an essential part of their routine lifestyle. Building strong personal relationships with long-term customers creates business stability that insulates you from seasonal slow periods. Subscription-style service models represent the pinnacle of local business scaling. Remote task-based work offers ultimate operational flexibility. This model includes high-value microtasks like data annotation, transcription, translation, search engine evaluation, and user experience research testing. Tech companies and global research firms constantly hire remote contractors to evaluate algorithmic accuracy and train intelligence models. The primary advantage of task-based platforms is that you can log on, complete work, and log off without managing clients or sales. To maximize your earnings with remote task-based work, you must select reputable platforms that pay fair rates and treat contractors well. Avoid platforms that demand upfront registration fees or make unrealistic promises about earning hundreds of dollars per hour instantly. Register on multiple verified platforms simultaneously so you always have active work opportunities available even if one platform slows down. Mastering platform-specific qualification assessments is the secret to unlocking the highest-paying remote task categories on any platform. Take the time to carefully read and study all platform documentation, instruction guides, and policy manuals before attempting these tests. Optimizing your home workplace environment is critical for maintaining high efficiency and focus during remote task sessions. Organize your computer desktop with dedicated productivity tools, time trackers, and password managers to keep your workflow operating smoothly. Managing your working time systematically prevents mental fatigue and helps you maintain maximum efficiency across long task sessions. Track your precise speed and earnings across different task types to identify which specific tasks yield your highest effective hourly rate. Scaling involves moving into specialized domains like language localization, content moderation, or complex technical research. Combining multiple side hustle models creates a diversified financial portfolio that protects you from platform changes or market downturns. Maintaining accurate financial records across all your side hustle ventures is essential for stress-free tax preparation and long-term wealth building. Never use your regular employer's time, equipment, software licenses, or proprietary resources to work on your personal side business. Preventing physical exhaustion and mental burnout is a vital operational skill that every independent side hustle owner must master. Developing a clear long-term growth strategy determines whether your side hustle remains a small supplement or evolves into a full-time business. Automating routine administrative tasks frees up valuable hours that you can redirect toward billable client work or high-income tasks. Protecting your online brand presence and digital security keeps your client relationships and personal financial data completely safe. Disciplined operational execution is the true secret behind every successful independent venture. Thank you so much for watching this complete guide on side hustle business models here on Woven Deal. Please like, subscribe, and notifications. Keep building, stay consistent with your goals, and I will see you in the next video.